Okay, waiting for me to see the screen. Come on, computer. There we go. Okay, the time ran out on me on the last slide. So let's go over the last word again. Who? Who are you? Who are you taking to the party? Who? And the only sounds we hear in that word is the H and the oo sound. The O makes the oo sound. Who? We don't hear the W. We don't go what who what who. It's just who who. So we have about, eat, how, make, out, put, takes, who. And we have three words with the ow sound. We have a b out, ow, out. So the OU and the OW, when together, can say ow. So those are our sight words for this week. Please study them. Make sure that you can read them, and we'll go over them every day in a presentation and in our Google Meets. Right now, we're going to practice blending and saying words. So remember, sometimes I could say the individual sounds of a word and we could put it together to say the word. So please say this word if the sounds are b, e, d, b, e, d. What would the word be if I said axe? Axe. What would the word be if I said at? Mat. So when I also am sounding out words, I need to know what the beginning sound is of a word. So if I have the word nut, what sound do you hear at the very front of that word? Nut. What was the first sound you heard? Tell someone at your house what the first sound was. Nut. And I hope you said an N. So I can hear you say it from here. Nut. What if I said cat? What's the first sound you hear in that word? At. The K sound. K, 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 k. And also the C sound. You spell cat, C-A-T. What is the beginning word for heat? Not the beginning word. I'm sorry, Miss Rich misspoke. What is the beginning sound of the word heat? Heat. That came first. Now, when I ask you for a final sound, that is the N sound. So what would the ending sound be for hut? T sound. Very good. T sound. What would the final sound be for man? M, N. An N. Good job. So beginning sound is what comes at the front. The final sound is what comes at the end.